Hi everyone, it's Kezzie over here from Kezzie's Corner and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Kezia and this is my corner. If you like what you see, I hope you can join my lovely family. And if you don't want to miss a video of mine, then you can always press the bell button and it'll notify you every single time I post a video. For those returning, thank you so much for coming back on my channel. It really means the world to me. If my voice is crackly, it's because I just woke up and I need to record this before my course. So yeah, today's video is going to be another part of my Disney series where I'm testing out the palettes from Essence and Catrice with their trend edition that focused on the Disney princesses as well as the villains. Today's video we're going to be testing out Aurora palette, and the Aurora palette looks something like this. It reminds me very much of Valentine's Day, so I will be doing a Valentine's Day inspired look as well. If you want to see how this palette tests out, then keep on watching, and if you like today's video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more. Let's go ahead and get started with today's video. So I'm first going to use some brow products because I haven't done my brows yet. I'm going to do them on camera apparently. And I'm going to be using the Essence, this one, the brow pomade pen, which I had tested out in my testing out what's new on Essence. Absolutely love this. I'm just going to apply this. And then I'm just going to set everything using my brow gel. I love using this one. It's the Prime and Lock from Revolution. Absolutely love this primer for my lids. And I'm just going to blend in the primer. And now we're ready to go in with the palette. I'm going to show you the palette. So this is the Aurora palette that we have for today. This is how it looks. It's just super pretty. I'm going to start off with Kingdom, which is this shade right there. Excuse my nail polish. Going to put this in my crease. I might add another color. So yeah, just put this on first. Now I'm going to use this one, which is called Golden Leaf. It's this one right here, and I'm going to place it on top of Kingdom. So I really like the mixture of like pinks and like a mauve shade. I'm going to add in Castle, which is this shade right here. I think it's a really pretty shade, and this is another matte shade. Just apply this. I think I'm just going to literally tap it and then put it into my crease. So something like that. I see what colors there is in the palette, and basically it's at this moment that I figure out what I want to do. So I'm very impressed with the variety of these palettes. Like, truth be told, like with Essence, I don't have that many favorite eyeshadows, so I was very skeptical. However, I am so happy that I bought them because I'm really happy with how they are working out. They are so pigmented, they blend in really easily, so easy to use, and they're really cute as well. The packaging of them is adorable. So we have this now. I'm going to do a thing, guys. I don't know if this is going to work out. I'm just going to take Castle again. I'm actually going to build it first in my outer corner. So something like this. I feel like I'm gonna do a halo eye today. And then what you do is you're also going to place in your inner corner as well. So something like that. And then I'm just going to fluff out my brush and basically just blend everything together. But then you can just build it up. Then actually I'm just going to go back into Kingdom to blend out the top shade again. Okay, so for now I'll leave it like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one, which is my cut crease canvas, and I'm just going to grab a brush. I apply some on my palm and then I take it on my brush. This is a Wycon brush, which I absolutely love. And you're going to create sort of your halo. I just do that. I'm actually gonna take, first I'm gonna take this shade, which is calling my name. This one is called Torn Hedge, and it's this like pretty pink shade. Now I'm just gonna show you how it looks. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to place it on my halo eye. Okay, this is not working out. No worries. Let's get a flat brush. So for now, I'm just going to place this all over. I'm going to place another shimmer shade on top, like I knew that. Sort of, there's not much difference from these two shades. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take Castle, which is the other shade we used, and I'm just going to blend it. Something like that. And now what I'm gonna do is there's two shades. Actually swatched two shades, and so there's these two shades, and what I swatched is Curse, which is this one right here, and this one, which is actually called Golden Hour. And actually Golden Hour is the one I'm gonna use because it is stunning. Golden Hour I'm using, and I'm just going to place it in the center of my lids. So something like that. I think like this is really pretty. What you actually can do then is go back in with your Castle shade gently and you blend that in. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love this, and it's beautiful as well for a Valentine's Day look. Okay, so I'll do the same thing on the other eye. I'll be right back, but I really like how it works out, even if maybe we didn't need to use the other shade, but still, really like that. So I've done both my eyes, and this is how they came. Really liking how actually it turned into a halo eye. I'm glad it did. Now I'm going to start doing my face makeup. Okay, so basically I'm just going to include Essence products in this video, but because I want to try out some new things that I got this one from Bobbi Brown. So yeah, this was my first ever fancy product from Bobbi Brown, and this is the Vitamin Enriched Face Base, and you can use this as a primer. And I was so saddened by the size. I did not realize that 550 ml was obviously this little. This was my fault. So yeah, so I'm just going to apply a wee bit, you know, a wee bit. Basically, we need to treasure this product. But it smells amazing, guys, and oh my god, it smells so good. And I'm just going to apply this as my primer. We don't waste, guys. Reminds me a lot of Pixie Beauty. They have something really similar as a scent, I would say. The packaging of it is really cute, actually. Okay, so for foundation, I'm just going to use my Essence Pretty Natural foundation. I've tested this out in a previous video. I absolutely love this foundation, so it's the foundation we're going to use. Just going to apply it on my Real Techniques sponge. The color as well was perfect, so yes. So I'll just apply this onto my face, gentle around my braces, because oh my god. And if I'm not like full of energy, it's because I'm a bit in pain. See how good the foundation is? Really good. So for concealer, let me use this. I haven't used it in a while. This is the Benefit Boeing Concealer. I still have yet to try one of their foundations. I would say one of their foundations, and the Natasha Denona palette, I think I would say is currently on my wish list, because I've never actually went and got one of those palettes, but they look really, really pretty. They're so expensive though. Now I'm just going to do my powder. This is the Maybelline Matte powder. What I like doing first is I like setting my under eyes, and I had gotten this brush. This is a dupe for the Real Techniques. They had like these rose gold brushes, but it's not a real one. I just bought it from eBay. But I actually really like this to set my under eyes, because the shape of it, it's a really cute shape. Not a cute shape, but it's like perfect for your under eyes, in my opinion. And then I'm just going to use the rest of my this is a Real Techniques brush to set the rest of my face. We have to do an inner corner, and for the inner corner I'm definitely going to be using this one. I'm going to be using this one, which is called Spinning Wheel. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to dampen this brush. This is a Jessup Detail Shader brush. Okay, so I'm going to place it in my inner corner. Hello! That is gorgeous. But I kind of didn't want that much. I'm just going to get, again, Castle. And just apply some on my brow bone. I'm just going to apply some under my waterline. And let me try this one. This is the Golden Leaf again. I'm gonna just try this one, and let me just see what happens when I apply this. And then maybe what you could do is I'm just gonna use this one, and I'll just apply Castle again, which is that shade. Something like that. I'm just gonna take off my hairband because it's causing me a headache. That is basically what I'm going to be using for my eyes with this palette. But again, I really have no complaints about this palette. It is a stunning palette. If you like pinks, I'm sure you're going to be liking this one for sure. Okay, so now I'm going to do my lashes. Sorry guys, but I'm just going to apply a mascara because that's what I'm going to do. And I'm actually going to be using this one, which is new. This is the Benefit the Roller Lash Mascara. I bought this not long ago and I just wish to try it out. So I'm going to curl my lashes first. The brush of this is really tiny. It's really pretty. I really like this. So now I'm just going to be doing some bronzer and some highlight. And the one I'm going to be using is this one, obviously. It has become one of my new favorite bronzers from Hello Good Stuff Matte and Glow Bronzer, which is from Essence. Now I'm just going to apply my Pure Nude Essence highlighter, which is this one right here. Absolutely love this highlight. I just have to put on some lipstick, and I think the lipstick I'm going to use is this one right here. It's the BH Cosmetics Muse. So this is the finished look. Excuse this eye if it looks a bit watery. It's because I did not apply the waterline properly, I would say. Yeah, I kind of like the lipstick choice. You could go for something lighter, but I like this. It's actually really pretty. So yeah, this is the finished look with the Aurora palette. Let me come close a little bit as well, like that. Yes, so this is it. I really like it. There's a lovely mixture of pinks, so if you love pinks, you'll definitely love this palette. I have no complaints whatsoever, and I look forward to testing out my next palette, which is going to be another Villains palette, which you will see next week. Hopefully I'll have it up next week. So far I've been having them up every single week, which I'm really happy with. If you like today's video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, then press subscribe. And I hope you enjoy today's makeup look as well. So yeah, well, this is also a Valentine's Day inspired look. So I wish you all a lovely, happy Valentine's Day. And giving you big hugs as well. You know, Valentine's Day, it comes about, and you know, it's not just, you know, a holiday for lovers, because basically, you know, you celebrate each other every single day of the year. But maybe it's like, it could be like a reminder to also love yourself, because I think that is very, very important. And before loving someone else, you always have to love yourself. You always have to learn to love yourself. And it has been, you know, a journey, because obviously, yes, I've had like where I, you know, looked at myself and wasn't happy with what I saw, but you know, you work on yourself. It's just so important to have that moment to yourself and to love oneself and to celebrate you as well, because you know what, you go through so much in your journey, and it's important to give yourself a hug. Okay, I'm just gonna stop now because I'm just gonna keep going. That was today's video. If you like today's video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!